that there should be closed questions, there should be open questions, and then we have talked about worksheet, we have talked about extended worksheet. But then what is important is for effective questioning, what should be the strategy? The first. Now you will be surprised that madam says no hand raise policy. Why do I say that? Because what is the normal pattern of teaching? We always, whenever we are questioning a child, questioning the students, we expect that they raise their hand. Yes? When they raise their hand, we ask them the question. Yes, you can tell. And here you find that madam will say no hand raise policy. How could it help? No hand raise policy could help that if I am questioning randomly, if I put the question at random to the child, every child will respond. Every child will think. The thought process of every child will be open. Otherwise, there could be some child who will simply keep the brain shut. And normally we have the policy that we say, okay, you raise your hand, those who know the answer. Those who don't know, what they have to do?
They do not raise their hand.
They won't raise their hand, they won't think also. It is not their cup of tea. They decided that it is not their cup of tea. But as a teacher, we have to provoke the thought of learning among the child. So every child has to think. I will ask it randomly to anyone, you can respond. Maybe your response is correct or not. I am not telling anything. I want the response from you. Because I want to know where your thought process is provoking you. Where your brain is functioning. And that is very, very essential. Got my point? Shall we move on to the next? Now, wait back. We mathematics teachers are totally impatient. I'll tell you. Why? Because we feel that curriculum is above our head.
Students are just, if students are, they have already जाना अगर चाहते हैं through that road only. So it is the instructor's roadmap of what a student need to learn and how it will be done effectively during the class time. Class time को कैसे इसको effectively कर सकते हैं इसके लिए. For that there are four main things. In lesson planning, when we are planning the lesson, we have to take care of these four things. The first thing is what I am teaching. That means what is the topic that we have to discuss in our next class. क्या पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं? What are the objectives of that topic? The second one is how will I teach it? What the methodology? What the process? That is the procedure. What the how I will handle the situation of that. We all plan, or we all just plan these things so that to make our class a successful one. Successful one means learning outcomes बच्चों से हमें मिल जाए. To get more and more learning outcomes from our students. Third one is who am I teaching? Obviously who am I teaching is obviously clear that we are just going to teach to the student. But who am I going to teach? It doesn't mean that there are students only. Level of students, we have to take care of them. Level of students. What are the level of the students? Even we must have to see that all the students are above the average group or the average group or the below average group. In my last topic, I have already discussed that the planning should be changed as per the need of the class. Class change भी करना पड़ता है need of the class. The next one is do my students understand. That means the procedure that we are using is useful for our students.
को पता है कि 9,
9, 10, 11 एंड 12 बढ़िया से पढ़ लो। जिंदगी के 40 इयर्स तुम राज करोगे। चाहे मन चले, मेरे बाबू जी भी एक बात बोला करते थे, उस समय थोड़ा हम भी ना समझते, कम समझते थे, बच्चे भी शायद हम लोग के क्लास में कम समझते हैं, या बहुत बच्चे सिर्फ मोटिवेटेड होते हैं, सब समझते हैं। तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि उन्हें मैथमेटाइज करना। उन्हें मैथमेटाइज करना मतलब कि मैथ्स बताना कि एक्चुअल में तुम जो मैथ्स पढ़ते हो क्या है। तो मैं एक एग्जांपल दूंगा सर इस बात के लिए। इनमें दो बातें होती है हर बच्चे में, एक अब्स्ट्रैक्ट, एक कंक्रीट। बच्चे जो देख पाते हैं उन्हें बहुत जल्दी समझते हैं। जैसे अगर उन्हें शेप दिखा है तो कहते हैं हाँ ये क्यूब है, ये स्क्वायर का शेप है, ये स्फीयर का शेप है। बट कुछ ऐसी बातें जो हम दिखाते हैं जो उनको पता ही नहीं है कैसे होता है क्या। उन्हें बोले कि हवा है कि नहीं, देखते तो नहीं है, बोलते तो है कि हवा है, मतलब उन्हें फेक है कि हाँ हवा है, ऑक्सीजन है, सांस ले रहे हैं और हम जीवित हैं। सेम थिंग इन मैथमेटिक्स, जो बच्चे डायरेक्ट देखते हैं प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, उनको पता है कि प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर हो या सी प्लस डी होल स्क्वायर, वी कैन फाइंड आउट इट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2a। बट जो कुछ उन्हें नहीं दिखता है, ये बातें जैसे हमने कहा था कि 4 बनाम 40, 40 से 4 वर्ष पढ़ो और जिंदगी के 40 वर्ष राज करो। तो ये सिर्फ बच्चों पर लागू नहीं होता है सर, ये हम लोग पर भी लागू होता है कि 4 वर्ष बढ़िया से पढ़ाओ तो 40 वर्ष राज करेगा। तो 4 वर्ष बढ़िया से पढ़ाओगे, कहाँ पढ़ाओ, कैसे पढ़ाओ? 11, 12 टीचर्स को अभी मुकेश सर ने कहा कि सर ऐसे बच्चे आते हैं जो 2x + 3y को 6y लिखते हैं, तो सर वो गलती 11, 12 वाले की नहीं है, तो 9, 10 वाले की गलती है। और वो गलती की सजा हम भुगतते हैं।